Hey guys, welcome to part 2 in my From Zero to Hero series. This is gonna be a very fast video because I just wanted to show you where and how to start inside your DAW. Alright, so let's get going. So you need an audio sampler to start working on Orchestral, and what I have right here is what I've always been using is Kontakt. So there's a lot of different audio sample plugins out there, but usually Kontakt is the one to go. And you need when you have this, you need to add something inside it, and usually this is quite expensive. The best libraries are really expensive, but there's deals out there, and there's also free stuff which I'm gonna tell you about now. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description about this website. It's really good, and you can come here and just Spirit Labs is very good. I recommend it. Orchestral 2 layers also very good for a beginner. I would say the SYMPHONY Orchestral by SpitFire Audio. This is all great companies which I like, so you can start this as well. I don't know this one or these two, but the other three are amazing, and you definitely should use them if you're starting out. Now, for the budget stuff, now if you find yourself, sorry, this is also free from Redwood Audio, the palette. It's the same as the others. It offers some instruments, so you can go ahead and get these as well. But to get this, you need Kontakt. So there's a free player. Now the majority of plugins might not work on the Kontakt 6 player, but I think these free ones will work. So you just have to get the Kontakt 6 player, just come here and free download it, and when you get it, you just have to download the other orchestral libraries and just go along with it. Now, there's another thing I want to mention before ending this video. Now you have your Kontakt and your free libraries, and if you want to also get a little bit of a, let's say, better quality, you can actually come here on the EastWest page and go on the Composer Cloud and spend $20 a month for 40,000K plus instruments, and they have really amazing stuff. So you can just come here and get all of these for $20 a month. Now, if you want to spend absolute zero, then the complete start is the one for you, and also this list right here, it's perfect for you to start with. So download this and we'll meet you, I'll meet you in the DAW. But just before finishing this, when you get a certain amount of money, do not get a solo pack like, for example, Cinematic Studio Strings. It's quite expensive and it only offers strings. Alright, so if you get this type of money, do not get a solo pack, but instead get a full orchestral bundle like NUCLEUS or perhaps Metropolis Arc 1. You can get the complete 12 Ultimate, which gives you the Symphony Essentials series, and there's also 2 solo patches from brass and woodwind, and they work just as fine. You can also go here on City. They also have really nice bundles, but they're a little bit more expensive. And you can also come here on Spirit Audio and get the ALBION 1. I know a very good friend of mine uses ALBION 1, and his tracks are just amazing. So we'll definitely recommend this. Now, when you go and buy this, I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this website. This is actually a diamond, because there's a lot of sales right here, and everything that you want or you think that you need, or let's say you want some mixing or even mastering plugins, just keep in mind this website. This is not just for orchestral, but for EDM or hip-hop users as well, because there's a lot of stuff right here that's on sale, so you just have to search for what you want. All right, so that finishes my part 2. Just get that Kontakt 6 ready and those free libraries, and we'll see you on part 3.